Instagram's multimodal AI is here, and it's changing everything for creators. Your reels are tanking, and you have no idea why. Same hooks, same trending audio, same hashtags, but crickets. Here's what changed. Instagram's new multimodal AI doesn't just scan your caption or hashtags anymore. It watches your reels like a human, analyzing visuals, audio, on-screen text, captions, and even comment context simultaneously. Think of it like this. Old Instagram read the recipe. New Instagram tastes the dish. And if your content doesn't pass the vibe check, you're invisible. Instagram's algorithm just got scary good. And most creators are clueless what multimodal AI actually means. Before, Instagram's algorithm looked at one thing at a time, your hashtags, maybe some image recognition. Now, it experiences your content the way people do. Example, you post a reel about quick dinner recipes. Before the update, Instagram grabbed your quick recipes hashtag and sometimes recognized food in your image. Now with multimodal AI, Instagram analyzes the entire experience. Your 15-minute pasta tutorial, the upbeat soundtrack that screams easy weeknight vibes, your dinner in a flash text overlay, and the helpful, energetic tone of your delivery. What changes? Your reel gets served to people interested in fast cooking methods, pasta recipes, and lifestyle content, even if they never followed hashtag dinner ideas. This is why you're suddenly seeing eerily accurate recommendations from total strangers. It's also why recycled content strategies are dying fast. What Instagram confirmed. Meta's VP of Product revealed in Q4 2023 that Reels now account for over 50% of time spent on Instagram. Adam Mosseri stated publicly, "Video is the future of the platform, with Reels as the primary discovery vehicle." Translation: Instagram is Reels now. Everything else is background noise. But here's the kicker. Reels get 22% more engagement than photo posts, but only if the multimodal AI recognizes your content as valuable. What's actually working right now? The AI rewards cohesive storytelling, where audio, visuals, text, and message align. Here's how to speak its language. 1. Hook. Viewers in 1 second, not 3. The AI tracks watch time obsessively. If viewers scroll past in 2 seconds, your reel is DOA. Don't start with a 3-second logo intro, or you staring at the camera building up to your point. Do open with movement, conflict, or the result. Show the after, then explain how you got there. 2. Match your audio to your visuals. Random trending sounds won't save mediocre content anymore. If you're showing calming morning routines with aggressive hip-hop, the AI picks up the mismatch and limits your reach. Use audio that reinforces your message. When visual and audio align, Instagram rewards you with better reach. 3. Make text overlays work harder. On-screen text isn't just for accessibility. It's AI training data. Skip vague text like, "Here's what worked." It tells Instagram nothing. But 3 caption tricks that grew my engagement 2 times? Now the platform knows what you're teaching and shows your reel to people hunting for exactly that. Bonus, clear text overlays increase watch time because viewers stay to read. 4. Get people actually talking in your comments. Instagram rewards real conversations over quick emoji drops. A reel with 100 thoughtful comments beats one with 500 emoji reactions. And with genuine questions or debatable takes. Questions like, "What's your go-to strategy?" Get people typing real answers. Instagram notices when viewers stick around to respond and pushes your reel further. What just stopped working? RIP. These tactics worked 6 months ago. Now they'll tank your content. Reposting TikToks with watermarks? Instagram sees that logo and buries your reel. The platform wants native content. Asking people to comment yes for the link? That's textbook engagement bait. Instagram spam filters catch it fast. Slapping trending audio on random visuals? If your calming skincare routine has a hype rap track, Instagram knows something's off. Mismatched content gets flagged as lazy. Trying to pass off photos as reels? Slap a trending song on a static image all you want. Instagram sees right through it. The platform tracks actual motion and video. How to adapt this week. You don't need to overhaul everything. Start here. Check your last 10 reels. Which have the highest save rate? The AI prioritizes saves as a quality signal. Double down on that format. Test cohesive storytelling. Create one reel where audio, visuals, text, and caption all support the same message. Compare performance. Front-load value. Put your best tip or biggest transformation in the first 3 seconds. Watch time is currency. Small accounts are winning, and big brands are pissed. Plot twist: while massive accounts panic and overhaul their entire strategy, small businesses and solo creators, they're crushing it. Instagram's new system favors real expertise and genuine content over polished, soulless productions. A small bakery owner filming morning prep with genuine narration will outperform generic baking tips from a faceless brand. You don't need a film crew. You need content where every element tells the same authentic story. The algorithm finally gets it. Why this isn't going away. Instagram isn't reversing course. The multimodal AI will only get smarter at distinguishing valuable content from noise. Creators who learn to speak its language now, through cohesive, authentic, value-driven reels, are building sustainable audience growth. Those still trying to game the system, fighting a losing battle against increasingly sophisticated technology. Your content strategy should assume the AI will keep getting better. Create like you're making content for smart humans, because the AI is learning to evaluate content exactly that way. Your move. Instagram's multimodal AI isn't making content creation easier, it's making it smarter. The creators winning right now aren't working harder. They're creating content where every element works together to tell a clear, valuable story. Learn to speak its language. Create one reel this week where audio, visuals, and message align. No hacks, no tricks, just cohesive content the algorithm rewards.